Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 2. The topic is Basic Concepts in Geometry Part 4. Today we are going to discuss on activity-based problems and odds. Friends, in the previous session of this Basic Concepts in Geometry Part 1 to 3, we have been completed the whole topic. Whatever we have been discussed are points, line and plane, coordinates of points and distance, betweenness, conditional statements and converses, theorems and proof, problems based on the respective subtopics. Friends, today we will continue with the activity based problems. So start this activity based problems. Problem number 1. If PQR is betweenness and distance between P and Q is equal to 3.4 and distance between Q and R is equal to 5.7, then complete the activity to find distance between PR. So activity is like this. Distance between PQ is equal to 3.4 and distance between QR you have to write in the box. It is the given thing. Distance between P and R is equal to distance between PQ plus what the value comes that you have to write in the box, since PQR is the betweenness. Secondly, distance between PR is equal to 3.4 plus what the value comes here, numerical, that you have to write. Therefore distance between PR is equal to whatever the value comes after simplification in the previous step we have to write here. The activity solution will be like this. Distance between PQ is equal to 3.4 and distance between QR in the box the value is 5.7, that is the given. Next, distance between PR is equal to distance between PQ plus distance between QR. Since PQR is the betweenness, therefore distance between PR is equal to 3.4, the numerical values, plus 5.7 of this distance between QR. So addition of these two gives you distance between PR is equal to 9.1. Friends, all the values in the boxes has been written with the red color. I think you understood this type of activities. Let us see second one. Point M is the midpoint of the segment AB. If AB is 12, complete the following activity to find the length of AM. Friends, the activity is like this. Point M is the midpoint of the segment AB, and therefore L of AB is equal to the given value you have to write in the box. Therefore L of AM is equal to half into box. It's in the box what the comes that you have to write, since M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore L of AM is equal to half into numerical value you have to write over here. After simplification, whatever they get, that is L of AM is equal to value you have to write in the box. So now the activity solution will be like this. Point M is the midpoint of the segment AB and L of AB is equal to 12, that is given. Then L of AM is equal to half into L of AB. M is the midpoint of the segment AB. Therefore AM is equal to half into 12. After simplification you are getting AM is 6. Friends, in the box the red color value indicates the box values that is shown here. This problem number 1 and 2 could be for 2 marks. Now let us discuss one 3 mark activity. Complete the activity by answering to the following questions with reference to the figure given below. This is the figure. A number line is shown wherein some points are given. So question 1 is like this. Write the name of the opposite ray of ray SP. You have to write the answer in the box. Write the intersection set of ray ST and ray RS. The answer in the box. Write the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. You have to write the answer in the box. Fourth one, write the intersection set of ray SP and ray ST. The answer should be written in the box. 5. Write the name of the opposite ray of ray PT. The answer should be written in the box. And last one, write the intersection set of ray PQ and ray PS. Answer should be written in the box. These are the activity based questions. Now let us see the solution for this activity. Number 1 is write the name of the opposite ray of ray SP. So the answer is ray ST. Write the intersection set of ray ST and ray RS. So the answer is ray ST. Write the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. The answer is line QR. Write the intersection set of ray SP and ray ST. So the answer from the figure is point S. Write the name of the opposite ray of ray PT. So the answer is ray PQ. Write the intersection set of ray PQ and ray PS. So answer is point S. Friends, all these values, red color value, you will get from the number line, that is line shown, and the points are given. Go through that carefully. Next we will see some question number 4 and 5 problems. Odds. So this is the figure given. In the adjoining figure, angle AOC and angle BOC are in the linear pairs. If angle AOC is 3x plus 60 and angle BOC is 3x, find the measures of each angle. You could see the angles in the figure. Friends, here angle AOC and angle BOC are the linear pairs. It has been given. Therefore, we can write angle AOC plus angle BOC is 180. Since linear pair angular sum is 180. Now substitute the value 3x plus 60 plus 3x is equal to 180. We have substituted the values of angle AOC and angle BOC from the problem. Now we'll add 3x, that will be 6x plus 60 is equal to 180. Therefore 6x is equal to 180 minus 60. 60 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus. So 6x is equal to 120. Since 180 minus 60 is 120. Now x is 6 and 6 is multiplication. 6 goes to the right hand side, it will go at the denominator. Therefore x is equal to 120 upon 6. That leads to x is equal to 20. Here the problem will not end, since we have to find out the angular measures. There we start. Here angle AOC is equal to 3x plus 60. 3 into x value is 20 plus 60. 3 into 20 is 60 plus 60, that is 120. Therefore angle AOC is equal to 120 degree. Secondly, angle BOC is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 20, that is 60. Therefore angle BOC is 60 degree. Let us see one more problem. This is the figure given. In the adjoining figure, two lines PQ and RS intersecting at point O. Angle POS is y degree, angle POR is 2x degree, and angle QOS is 3x minus 55 degree. Find the value of y. Friends, here two lines PQ and RS intersecting at point O, it has been given. Also angle POS is equal to y degree, angle POR is equal to 2x degree, and angle QOS is equal to 3x minus 55 degree. It has been given. Now angle POR and angle QOS are vertically opposite angles, therefore their measures are equal. Now substitute the values. Angle POR is 2x and angle QOS is 3x minus 55. Therefore 2x is equal to 3x minus 55. Therefore 3x minus 2x is equal to 55. Therefore x is equal to 55. The value of x is 55. But we know that angle POS and angle POR are both forming a linear pair and their sum is 180. Now substitute the value of those angles. POS is y and POR is 2x. So y plus 2x is equal to 180. We have been calculated the value of x. We'll substitute that value. Therefore y plus 2 into 55 is equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 51 into 2 is 110 is equal to 180. 110 goes to the right, it will become minus. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 110. So y is equal to 70 degree. I think such problems will be there in question number 4 and 5. So prepare additional problems from the reference study material. Friends, today what we have been discussed is nature of the activity based problems for 2 marks, nature of the activity based problems for 3 marks, and odds, that is higher order thinking skills. Friends, you may try these problems. This is the figure given. In the adjoining figure, two lines AB and CD intersecting at point O. Angle AOC is y, angle AOD is 3x, angle BOC is equal to 2x plus 55. Find the value of y. This is the figure given. Here in the adjoining figure, angle POR and angle QOR are in the linear pairs. If angle POR is 2x plus 70 and QOR is 3x, find the measures of each angles. So friends, I think you prepare at home. Now you should not forget before leaving the sentence, mathematics is a great motivator for all humans. See, mathematics is a great motivator for all humans because its career starts with 0 and it never ends. That is infinity. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe and share. With these words, I would like to say thank you.